Good morning there, Year 3, and how are we today? Welcome to your guided reading lesson today. So you're going to need to, for this retrieval practice, go back to the readings that you had from last week from the Firework Maker's Daughter, because you'll need to either use that if you're finding this a little bit tricky, but I want you to first try and see if you can recall, see if you can remember. But if you can't, you can go back to that resource that you had from last week and you can read over it. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to answer these questions. These questions are on your worksheet, so you just need to pause the video here and have a go at answering them for me. Okay, welcome back. Did you do them? Did you find it a bit tricky or was it okay today? Brilliant. Okay, shall we move on to our lesson then for today? So do you remember this doggy last week? This dog from last week. This dog is called Victor, isn't he? And he is Victor Vocabulary. So today we're really going to be thinking about how we're going to explore vocabulary and how it enhances meaning in the text. Really important for a reader and a writer. So when you become an author, you're a writer, you need to make sure that the vocabulary that you use is really good for the reader to read and to understand. But today we're going to make sure that you're successful by being able to scan keywords in a text, select words and phrases with precision, that means carefully, read around the word. Remember I showed you how to do that the other day. We find the actual word and we read before and we read after, and to think carefully about what the word means too. Okay, really important. So can you remember, what did Vocabulary Victor do? Can you remember? If not, don't worry. Just see if you can pause the video here and have a quick think. Okay, welcome back. Can you remember? Let's see. He gives or explains the meaning of words in context. That means it's in the right place in the sentence. It makes sense. It means it's there to help you work out meanings of words that you don't know. So the context will give you some background information to what the word might mean. It helps you to do this by looking at words and phrases you're unsure of in the context. This means the story so far, the sentence around them, and what you already know about the plot to figure out what the word or phrase must mean. Now, what I'd like you to do is you're going to have a go now, and this is on your worksheet, to read. I'm not going to read now. I'm going to get you to read these two next pages of The Firework Maker's Daughter. And then you are going to pause the video, well, in a minute, and you're going to answer these questions for me. So I want you to read those two extracts from the text and then answer these questions. So pause the video here and have a go at that now. Okay, welcome back. How did you get on with that? All right. Brilliant. Well done. You're really getting on well now, Year 3. I'm really pleased with you. So now we're going to do the same again. You have 2 more pages from The Firework Maker's Daughter, and you've got 3 more questions to answer. So again, pause the video here, have a go at reading that text on your worksheet, and then answer these questions. Okay, how did you get on with that one? Brilliant. You're so good. Really impressed with you today. So let's just then sum up now what Vocabulary Victor does. So to prove your understanding of what Vocabulary Victor does, I want you to answer these following questions. Now, these are on your worksheet as well. So what does he help you to do? What do you need to do when you find a twin question? That was from Monday's video. And what would you do if we had to explain the meaning in the question? Okay, so I want you to stop the video now, and you're going to have a go at answering those questions that are already on your worksheet. If you need to, go back to the video on Monday. That will help you. Or talk to the person in the room as well, and they might be able to help you. Now, you take care there, Year 3 today, and I really am looking forward to seeing some of your work. Take care now. Bye.